Um, you will see at the beginning of the loop, here is the beginning of the grand while loop. We actually have above that, first we have to go get the actual data itself and push it into an array and store it as an array of lines. So let's go look at get CSV array. Here, by the way, is the end of the grand loop, so we're done. Now, here is get CSV array. Now remember that we have registered, applied, and paid. We have 3 different types. So we have to go and get each individually. So let's go down and look at the registered CSV array. Okay. So here's get registered CSV array, and the thing that we do here is we say if the forced file name. Now remember, forced file name allows users to go back and get prior days or weeks old data and force a name and say this is the one I want you to get. But it's saying here if there is no forced file name, if they haven't specified one, then we know we need to do today's data. So all it does is it says sysimport date today, right? And remember above we calculated the date and put that to a string that's usable. We did that up above, so now we have that work all done for us. All we do is assemble the actual location, the actual HTTP request string, and this is what it's going to go look for. And then so that's that. Now, otherwise, if the forced file name is specified, if they've said no, I want a specific one, then it'll go down on this one and it'll say, okay, assemble the string as HTTP yada yada yada, Salesforce registration, and then it'll say forced file name. Okay, and it'll use the guy's forced file name. Okay. And ignore this for a while. This is a kind of a confusing topic, so let's not get into that right now. I'm just trying to show you how we normally get it. Now, if test mode equals run, then go ahead and execute. Okay. If not, then what it does is it'll go and it'll use this dummy data. Okay, and this has all kinds of usable data that we need to that we can use, that's canned data if we can't see the server or if whatever happens. But if we're run, then it says sysimport get CSV execute.